If you're a beginner to dropshipping and you don't know how to get started, this is the one video you need to watch, because I'll be showing you how to create your Shopify store from scratch, step by step. If you're a beginner, this is what you need. And I'll also show you how to use DeepSeek with Shopify in creating you a dropshipping business, an empire that you can live on generation after generation. Let's jump into it. The first thing you need to do is go on shopify.com. All right. Now, when you're on shopify.com, the next thing you need to do is click on the start free trial. Get 3 days free, then 3 months for $1 per month. All right. So click on start free trial. It's going to bring you here to sign up. Okay. Now, if you notice, there's a location up here. You could pick whatever location you want to pick. You could pick United States, depending on where you're from, but it's going to just route out where you're signing in from. So if you're from United States, click on United States. All right. But let's go on. The next thing you need to do is simply sign up with your Google account. All right. This makes the process very easy. Now, when you do that, just click on the email, just the basic sign up. Here, click on email again, and then click on continue. Wait for it to load. It's heading back to Shopify. This will take some minutes, and you're here. Now, you can skip all of this if you want to. All right. But just go through them. So we'll be going through them in this video. What would you like to create? In person, at a retail store, online store, social media, existing blog, whatever. This is for option. We'll pick create a fully customizable website. Click this. All right. And list product. Also click this. An existing website. Add a buy button to your website. You can also click this. In person. Okay, we're not in a retail store. In person, at events, social media, reach customers on Facebook and TikTok. All right. So this is pretty much okay. So click on next here. The next thing you do, which best describes you. I'm not selling. I'm already selling, or in person. So just say, I'm not selling yet. So click on this, because we're creating this from scratch. Assume you don't know anything about dropshipping. Products I buy or make, dropshipping products. So this is what we'll pick, dropshipping products. And that's basically it. You could add other things if this is what you want to do. NFT, digital arts, products I buy or make myself, if that's what you're doing, but we're doing dropshipping, so we're clicking this. You click on next, and it's going to take you here. It's going to ask you to which of the plans you want to opt in for. Is it the basic, which you end up paying $3 per month and $39 per month? Is it the Shopify? This is for teams. This is for solo entrepreneurs. So this is what I would recommend you pick. Okay, so you just click on try basic. Click on this. It's going to bring you here to put in your card details. All right. Now, I'm going to do that. Pause the video and put in my card details. Once you're done, just click on subscribe for $1 and you're good to go. After imputing your card details and paying for it, you will come here. It's going to ask you to save this business address. Click on save. And once that is done, you're here. It's all set. You're good to go. Now we'll set up everything from scratch. These are all of the places you need to. Navigation tab, a home, others, product, customer content, marketing discount, online store, and all of that. Okay. So just follow the steps here. Use this personalized guide to get your store up and running. We'll find the products. You design your online store, simplify marketplace selling, add a customer domain, sell more through social media, add a buy button to your website, and all of that. Store setting, all of that. I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know. All right. So the next thing we need to do is let's close this. You close and browse product sourcing. When you're here, what you need to do is click on this browse product sourcing apps. This is like a guide, gives you everything you need to do, design your store and all of that. So let's click on browse products. We're going to add some of these things here. Don't worry. These are free plans. See, it's free plan here. Free plans. These are free plans. So you could just add them. It's going to connect them to our store. Your store is connecting. Please wait a moment. And that's the only one we'll be connecting for now. And once this is here, you just click on install and you have this already on your Shopify store. So let's go back to the store itself. That's the only thing we'll be connecting for now. You could click here. It's going to bring you to the Shopify store here. And these are different apps you could install. Free plans. All of them are, majority of them are for free, not all of them. Let's go back to the Shopify site, and we're here. It's going to show us this still connecting. This is OP dropshipping, but don't worry, let's come back here, click on close The next thing you need to do is design your store. So come on here, click on this. Now, what you're going to do is describe your product or brand in a few words to generate a custom theme. So what I'll be creating here is a supplement, a workout supplement. So if you don't know what to put here, this is what I usually do. I usually would go on DeepSeek and tell DeepSeek what I'm trying to create. So come on DeepSeek and say, I'm trying to create a drop shipping store on Shopify and need you to generate the right words for it. It is for the shop. You could say the shop is meant to sell workout supplements. Okay, I'm trying to create a dropshipping store on Shopify. I need to generate the right words for it. This shop is meant to sell workout supplements. You could do this, just click on enter. I recommend you doing this yourself, but if you are finding it hard to get the right words to use, just come on DeepSeek or ChatGPT and this will do it for you. So it's going to give us this. Let it do its thing. Another thing you're doing is you're trying to prepare it so that when you start building your store, it's going to be easy for you to do all of that. Just copy all of this, copy, and then come back to your store. And come back to your store and paste this here. Okay, remove the quotation mark and you have just to read all of this. And you could say we sell, or just leave it like this. Get edge, blah blah blah. Shop scientifically formulated supplement for energy, strength, and recovery. Okay, you could do this. You could generate your custom theme. I'm just saying if you want to go this route, or you can simply browse pre-made themes. I beg your pardon. Click on themes and wait for it to load up. It's going to show you different themes to use. Some themes are paid, some are for free. You look for whatever suits your plan. Because we're trying this out, I would advise you don't go for a paid plan for just yet. But you can go ahead if you want to. All right. So this is what they're giving us: customized. We'll customize this. Your store is password protected, and no problem. Not looking for that. So we'll come down here and look for other things you're looking for. Remember, like I said, we're doing some in the supplement or workout space. Okay. So we'll just come here and just say workout. Let's look for something. Let's see what it's going to give to us. Clicking enter and wait for it. This is like an AI feature of Shopify. Just wait for it to bring out this thing. But while it's doing this thing, you can just scroll down and see if you have anything that you might like. If you like this one, you could use it. If you like refresh, you can use it. Now, because you're trying to create something for the supplement niche, does not mean you can't use this. It's just a theme. All right. I'm just looking for something a bit better out there. Okay, so I'm seeing these are 3 different options they're giving me right now. And let's view the demo and see what it gives to us. Okay, so just view the demo. Okay, this is not bad. All right, this is almost like what I would like. I like the colors. I like how in your face it is. Okay, let's try this one out. View demo. I don't like this one. I like the other one because of how it has a lot of toughness to it. There's a word like that. Okay, so I think would let's see how this one would look like. Let's look at it one more time. I think I like this one. It's kind of different from your usual or regular thing. All right, so we'll go back. You see down here, it's free. Down here, free. As you can see it. So we can just do try theme because of what we're trying to create. Like I said again, you could pick any other thing and you will be fine. All right, click on that. Wait for it to load up. Okay. So I think it's there already. Let's see if we have. Okay, it's up here. See it here. It's time for us to customize this. Okay, now it's saying our store is password protected, so we can manage password. Click on manage password here, and it's going to bring you here to put in some things you want to put in. All of this, we'll come back to this in a bit. Okay, so let's go back first and click on customize the theme. So we're using the Radiant theme. Click on customize and it's going to bring us here. Now this is where we'll do all of the juicy things. Now everything here you could change. Everything. You could change the name of the store up here. You could change this. You could change that. You could change this. You could really change literally everything you have here. Change this. So what you need to do now is look for good images put up here for your design. Now, for example, this is the image banner. If you click on image banner here, it's going to ask you to change if you have anyone to change. So I'm going to look for an image to put in here in a bit. Just click on change, select from library, and if you have any image you could use here. If not, you could use from your computer. Click on image, click on download. So I found the right product for myself, the one I want to use. Just wait for this thing to load up. If you don't have a way to get images, just simply go on pixels.com, click on it. It's going to verify you. Then it's going to give you free images you could use, royalty free images. All right. Yeah. Good. So let's go back to our store. The image is there. Click done and see how it fits in to this space. Good. I think I like this. All right. But then the face is not showing. Okay. All right. I think I can deal with that. Fine. So duplicate any of these things. You come here and transform your workout. So here, this heading here, no need to break our head about what to put in there. Just go back to DeepSeek and look for something here. So have fuel our fitness journey supplements, something like that. Copy, go back to our store, paste here, and we're good. So we have this as the heading, your fitness journey. All right. So far, so good. I think we're making some good progress. This shop button, you could leave it here. For now, we just leave that where it is. This is where you change some, this is where your products are going to be. Now, we don't have to do anything with this yet for now. We're just trying to build up the site to go on. Now we'll come here and change this revolutionary gear for unstoppable performance. Go back to DeepSeek and look for something that we could use. So we can come here and just say premium, copy this out, just copy this out and go back to your store, then have this pasted in here. Good. You could change the font if you want to. Okay, I don't like this font, so I'm just going to change this. I should be able to change it here. Change the style, generate text. They have the AI feature here to help you generate the text here. I'll be able to change the font, but not here. Let's just go on first. And you come here, you could also change the images you have here, the image 1, image 2. Okay. Now for the sake of this, I'm just going to change these images. I'm going to change this one, but for now, I'm going to leave this, assuming that everything we want. Dedicate to empower your fitness journey. This is also cool because it's in the fitness space. Scroll down, empowering this and whatnot. You could add a section here. Just click on, no, not that. Add a section here. All right, wait for it. Okay, so section is added here, and we could add other things we want to add here. This is how it basically works. You simply just keep adding sections, right? Come here, add section. Just keep adding section until you get exactly what you're looking for. And everything, like I said, is editable here. You could simply edit it. So this is how to open a Shopify account. Just go on Shopify, click on create an account, and then you're good to go. If you have the money, you can just pay for the $1. If you don't have the money, you can just skip for that and try it out later. So subscribe to the channel if you like this video, because we're making more video create this business from every step of the way. Don't worry, it doesn't end here. This is a series. Subscribe to the channel, click on the bell button so that when I drop other series of this particular website or this particular store, you can follow up with it. I hope this was helpful. If you want us to help you create your own drop shipping store from start to finish, let us know in the comment section by dropping it. Show you exactly what you need to do that will help you create one. Thank you for watching this video.